So we are the students of class 8th and 9th. Today we gathered here to do debate on education system of India. She is Viralika, I am Manjot, his name is Honey and he is Abhinay. Please introduce yourself.
We are the student of 9th class and we are here to debate with you 8th class. And Amna, her name is Noor. Please helmet and please. I want to know what's your thoughts on the NEET exam that had been leaked.
I think that it's the mistake of the government also because they have to inspect them.
The government should check the exam.
And they have to do questions.
They already have re-NEET and I think that's the biggest opportunity for the NEET students.
But they give time to the exam.
The re-NEET maybe the government gave 2 months for after re-NEET and this is the biggest opportunity. I don't think there's nothing else that can government do.
But they do practice more than in the present time.
They should give some fun to the students who learn more, who give exam.
It has already decided by the government. I have studied in the rules and also the latest news is that re-NEET is held and the courses or the universities that are preparing for NEET, they have given 2 days fun off day and also fun day in school for students who are depressed or stressed by NEET exams.
What's your thought on JEE exam?
JEE is a tough exam. I want to be a non-medical student. I want to learn science. So, in my opinion, JEE is the toughest exam because the syllabus is so much. The students have to do hard work on the syllabus, and even then, if they don't crack, they have to do re-attempt. And I think students should not be stressed and should not suicide. It's not a big problem.
Let me know that there are some students in us who want to crack JEE.
Yes,
You are also,
Yes.
and he is the one of them.
I want to know, Radhika, which exam you want to crack?
I want to crack NEET.
So, do you know some things about NEET?
Yes, I know its full form. Can I tell you?
Yes, sure.
The full form of NEET is National Eligibility Entrance Test, and it is held by NTA. So NTA's full form is National Testing Agency. MBBS full form is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Science, and AIMS full form is All Indian Institute of Medical Science.
That's great. Because
Did you want to go into commerce? So please tell me about it because I didn't know and I want to study non-medical.
In commerce, there are many subjects. You can do your own business and many other things. But my choice is to doing business.
You want to be a businessman?
Yes.
So in commerce we can build our business.
yes, there are many fields in, I'm sorry, I need to train, but there are many fields in commerce because it's about accounting, banking, or business and financial.
So let me know that you also become a businesswoman.
I want to be the youngest successful businesswoman.
Am I right?
Yes, you are right. And by commerce, we can be CA, CEO, banking, accounting, and many things.
And when you want to take non-medical, arts, commerce or medical?
Yes. Arts.
Okay, that's interesting. Arts is very good.
You are in 8th class and it's 8th class.
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
Yeah. We have already studied in that class.
So I think that you have experienced that.
First of all, I want to know how is your preparation going for the board exam?
It's going
Our
well.
preparation is very good.
60 out of 100.
60%. So, are you ready for your board exam? Because
Yes.
it is, maybe it is going to held after 3 months.
Yes.
About 75% or syllabus has been done.
Okay, it's nice to meet you. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.